What it does. Terraform is an infrastructure as code, IAC, tool that allows you to define and manage your cloud and on-premises infrastructure using a human-readable configuration file.
It supports multiple cloud providers, including AWS, and enables you to create, modify, and delete infrastructure resources in a predictable and repeatable manner. Command/example. Breaking it down. Provider AWS. This block configures the AWS provider, specifying the region where your infrastructure will be created. Resource AWS_security_group example. This block creates a security group, which is a virtual firewall that controls inbound and outbound traffic to your EC2 instance. Plus name and description attributes, these specify the name and description of the security group. Plus ingress block, this allows inbound traffic on a specific port, in this case, port 22 for SSH. Plus egress block, this allows outbound traffic on all ports. Resource AWS_instance example. This block creates an EC2 instance. Plus AMI attribute, this specifies the ID of the Amazon machine image, AMI, to use for the instance. Plus instance_type attribute, this specifies the type of instance to create, in this case, AT2. Micro. Plus VPC_security_group_IDs attribute, this associates the security group with the instance. Plus key_name attribute, this specifies the name of the SSH key pair to use for the instance. Common mistakes. Forgetting to specify the region attribute in the provider block, which can cause Terraform to default to the wrong region. Not properly configuring the security group, which can leave your instance vulnerable to unauthorized access. Using an incorrect or outdated AMI ID, which can cause issues with the instance's configuration or stability. Try this next. Create a Terraform configuration that provisions a load balancer and targets your EC2 instance. Experiment with different instance types and AMIs to see how they affect the performance and cost of your infrastructure. Pro tip. Use Terraform's built-in Terraform plan command to preview the changes that will be made to your infrastructure before applying them. Keep your Terraform configuration files organized and modular, using separate files for different components of your infrastructure. Use Terraform's output values to retrieve information about your infrastructure, such as the public IP address of your EC2 instance. To apply the Terraform configuration, run the following commands. This will create the security group and EC2 instance in your AWS account. You can then use the Terraform destroy command to delete the resources when you're finished with them.